Yes. Hello. Yes. First of all, am I audible? Come on, give me a yes or no if I'm audible. Yes. And you can all. I am sure that you all are able to see me as well. Yes. So yes, guys, I would like to request all the new students as well that when we are, I am gonna ask you any question or something. Please try to reply. I want all of you to be answering. So I can see right now 70% of you have already answered. I want rest 30% of you to be answering as well. Even whenever we are going to do the quiz as well, guys, even if you don't know the answer, try guessing it out over here, because if you're gonna get wrong, don't worry. I'm gonna give you the correct explanation so that you don't do that silly mistake again. Okay. Yes, you can say it's a new look, by the way, but nevertheless, looks may change. But guys, again, I'm going to tell you something that you have to answer all the questions that I'm going to ask. Okay, yes. So you can hear me. There's no problem in that. That's good. And first of all, I would like to ask how many of the students are new in this particular class. If you're watching me for the first or second or third time, give me a yes. Or if you have giving me, if you're gonna give me no, that is gonna be that you're gonna be my old student. Yes. Okay, come on, give me a yes or no. Yes. Okay. So that's great. Yes, guys. So now we're gonna start soon. And for those who are watching me on this YouTube, you can always join me at the Vedantu website or the application, so that you can also interact with me within the chat, and you can also answer the questions that I am gonna ask you. Right. So we are gonna start soon, guys. No, guys, this is not a bala look. Don't worry about that. Okay. So yes, I can see that yes, 74% of you are new, but rest of you are old. Again, guys, my name is Luv Mehan. My name is Luv Mehan. Yes, and my name is Luv Mehan. That is LUVMEHAN. Yes, and I myself is an IISc graduate, right? So now we are gonna go with what are you gonna learn. So today we are gonna cover inorganic chemistry, and we're gonna learn what are the questions, JEE questions that you can see and how to solve them, right? Okay. So yes, now we can see that what you gonna learn. So over here, when we're gonna talk about we are gonna see few questions that are gonna be on S and P or block elements and D block elements. Yes. So come on, guys, give me that quick thumbs up. Are you gonna start with me? Yes. Are you excited? Yes. Come on. I want all of you to be answering this particular class, guys. Okay. Yes, that's good. So again, guys, I would like to ask how many of you think that you are gonna be at the top of the leaderboard at the end of this class? Come on, give me a yes or no. How many of you are going to be at the I'm going to show you the leaderboard at the end of this class probably, and then you, how many of you think are going to be at the top at the first? Yes, come on, guys, tell me. Yes. Vaishnavi, please refresh. So Venkatesh Mandal sir is your academic mentor for this particular class, so say hi to Venkatesh Mandal sir, who is gonna ask who's gonna entertain all your doubts within this particular class. And yes, so say hi to him. Okay, so yes, all of you, I can see 95% of you are there who are trying to get into the top of the leaderboard. That's really good. So yes, again, guys, I would like to quickly introduce this platform to the new students. So as you can see, the teacher, I am over here, and you can chat with me on the chat box. Okay, so you can clear all your doubts instantly by asking your academic mentor in the Q&A panel. Can everybody see the Q&A panel, guys? Come on, give me a yes or no. Beside the chat box, can you see the Q&A panel? So over there as well, you may interact with the Venkatesh Mandal sir, who is your academic mentor, and he is always there to entertain all your doubts, right? And again, as I put yes and no's or something like that on the screen, these are known as hotspots. Okay, so that you can have live quizzes, and I can see the real time performance of yours in the particular class. Yes, so this is how it is. Is NCRT enough for JEE Mains Chemistry? No, Amrutesh. NCRT is not enough. Yes, so leaderboard is gonna show you what your class rank is and what points have you earned. Were you the fastest? Were you the right one to answer all the questions? Yes. So we are gonna quickly start with a first question of this class. Are you guys ready? Yes. Come on, give me a yes or no. Are you guys ready? Yes, I am in the office right now. Okay. Come on, guys. Yes, that's good. So I can see 97% of you are there who are giving me yes, so that's good. So now let's start with the first question of this particular class. So the first question talks about which of the following oxygen atoms have zero oxidation state, guys. You have to talk about zero oxidation states, and your time starts now. Come on, guys. I can see 33 seconds are left, but all of you, 93% of you have done that. That's a great number. That's a great performance. Now only 25 seconds left, but can we all do it before the time ends? Come on, guys. I want you to do it before the time ends. I am sure that you can do that, right? Okay, 98% of you have done that. Okay, 100%. That's good. Within within last 10 seconds, you all have done that. That's good. That's good. Okay, so I can see almost five students are there in the fastest fingers list, and 44% of you are correct. Let's see what is the correct answer. The correct answer is your D, which includes both A and B. That means A and B are the correct options. Why? Because we are talking about oxidation state of this particular, what do you say, the molecules, right? So when we talk about O2, so it is simply O2. Why? O2, both the oxygens have the zero oxidation number. Why? Because the relative electronegativity of these oxygens are zero when it is compared with each other, right? And again, when we make a structure of ozone, it is again your zero, 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 and zero. Yes, guys, are you with me? Come on, give me a quick thumbs up. Yes or no? That's really good. Okay, I can see 35 thumbs ups and four thumbs downs. So if you have any doubts, you can always ask on the Q&A panel and on the chat, right? Yes, let's go. So yes, let's go to the next question, which talks about the compound whose zero point 0.1 molar solution is basic, guys. So let's look for a basic component, no matter what the concentration is. Absolutely, we should get a basic solution. Yes, the time starts now, 60 seconds, and go. Come on, guys. 40 seconds left. Come on, guys. You have to look for a basic component which is going to be in the solution. Yes, I can see plenty of you are doing it right. So I'm hoping all of you are going to do it right. Guys, you have okay. Guys, I'm going to switch off this quiz in 5 seconds. Five, four, three, two, one. Come on, guys. I was thinking to end this quiz in more less time, but I can see plenty of you are not haven't done that particular question. Okay. So Abhishek, Ehsan, Cyborg, Nivedita, Vansh, D. Anirudh, Seema, Raju, Pratap, Pradapti, Prapti. Yes, and Aisha. Okay. So I can see almost 60% of you are correct. And how is it going to be? So let's see. So guys, whenever we talk about ammonium acetate. So guys, ammonium acetate is a salt of ammonia plus acetic acid. Okay. Acetic acid. So as it is a salt, it won't show us any basicity or any basic character. Okay. Ammonium chloride is also a particular salt of NH3 plus HCl. So again, we are not going to see any kind of basic character. And when we talk about the D option, again, we have, this is also salt, NaHCO3 is also salt, and sodium chloride is also a salt. So therefore, again, no basic character. But when we talk about Na2CO3, okay, again, we can talk about that this is going to be a salt. But now, guys, we simply have NaOH. NaOH is your base, right? Come on, give me a quick thumbs up. Yes, are you getting it? What I'm telling it to you? NaOH is clearly a base, right? Is it it's a strong base, no matter what, if we are even using a lesser volume, still it is acting as a base. So this is the reason C is the correct option, right? So let's move to the next question, which is going to talk about the increasing oxidation number of iodine for the given oxidation compounds I2, Hi, HiO4, and ICl. I with chlorine is gonna be. You have to tell about the increasing order. Okay, time starts now. 60 seconds. Come on, guys. 25 seconds left, guys. I can see you all are doing before the time ends. So shall we? Yes, 91%. That's good. I want 100% of you to be answering over here. Come on. Okay, 97. Come on, guys. 10. Okay, 100. Yes. So ending that up, Abhishek, Nivedita, Seema, Preksha, Swaup, Dianirudh, and what we have five, Tomana and Dwapan. Yes, so 45% of you are right. That's really great. But for those 55% who couldn't got it, let's see and let's find the particular how to get the particular answer. And the correct answer is 2, 1, 4, and 3. So guys, in the let's talk about the oxidation number of iodine in this particular case. So it is your 0 because we have I2. In this particular case, Hi we have your -1 because on hydrogen we have +1. In ICL, we have clearly as chlorine is more electronegative, we are simply going to have +1. So again, now what we have it over here, it is going to be your, let's make a structure for your HiO4. Okay. So if we have iodine over here, simply have oxygen. Guys, I want to ask you something. Is oxygen more electronegative than iodine? Come on, give me a yes or no. Then we'll continue with the structure. Yes. Okay, I can see rough numbers. Yes, so 73% of you are saying yes. For those who are saying no, no, oxygen is more electronegative than iodine. So this is the structure of HiO4. Okay, so over here we can think of what we can see is how many bonds is iodine making with oxygen. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So over here we have almost +7 oxidation state of iodine. Okay, guys, +1, +7. So over here, what we can see over here is simply gonna be your we have second, which is gonna be the lowest one. Yes, then first, which is gonna be 0. Then we have fourth, which is gonna be +1, and then iodine. Okay, guys. So this is how it is. Yes, you get it? Come on, give me a quick thumbs up. Come on, I want all of you to be answering. Yes, I'm switching on the quiz. Switching on the chat. If you have any doubts, you can put it over there. Yes, again. That's good. So now we're moving on to the next question and switching on the chat right now. And we are going to talk about the hybridization and the shape of ICl4, guys, and I3 minus. Okay. The time starts now. 60 seconds, guys. I'm giving it to you 60 seconds. Go. Do make the structure, guys. Try to make a structure. First of all, try to see how many electrons does iodine have. This will help you. Thirteen, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Time's up, guys. Let's see how many of you are correct. Abhishek, Shivank, Dianirudh, Seema, Swav, Sakshi, Tomana, Srinivas, Saptarsi, and Preksha. Okay, only 2 of you got it, but 31% of you were right. So the correct answer to this question is gonna be your B. Okay, so how B is going to be the correct option? Let's try to find out how many electrons. I'm switching on the chat and I want to ask how many electrons does this iodine has when we have a negative charge on the iodine. Come on, guys. How many? So let me just ask. Yes, it is going to be 8. So let's go with this. Okay. So now we are going to make a structure of iodine first. Let's make it. Okay, iodine. Let me just make 8 more electrons. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, guys, so we have it over. Yes, Abhishek, do not spam, but yes, okay, I got your all the answers. That's okay, please, if you're late. Now we have 4 chlorines. Okay, so let me just make 4 chlorines. Okay, so we have 1 chlorine, we have 2 chlorines, we have 3 chlorines, and we have 4 chlorines. Yes, guys, so now what do we see over here is that we have two lone pairs on this iodine. We have iodine minus, guys, over here. Yes, so we have iodine minus. What do we see over here is gonna be your two lone pairs. So when we have two lone pairs, they are also going to be participating in hybridization. Yes, come on, give me a quick thumbs up. Yes, as we have lone pairs, also they're gonna participate in hybridization. So what do we see over here is gonna simply be this chlorines are gonna be in same plane. Okay, guys. So these chlorines are gonna be in the same plane, and this is why it is gonna be square planar. And let's talk about the hybridization. So we have four chlorines attached and two lone pairs. The hybridization is gonna be sp3 d2 and square planar. Yes, increase your voice, sir. Okay. Let me just see, just try to refresh, because guys, are you able to hear me well, or do I have do I have to increase my volume for you all? Come on, give me a yes or no. Okay, I can see a lot of no's. Okay, yes, but I can see a lot of yes as well. So let me just tell you something, guys. Today I don't have the earphones, so probably I cannot do anything about that. Yes. Okay, so I can see. Okay, so plenty of you saying me yes as well. Okay, so now what you have it over here is your sp3d linear. We have to see. So we have I3 as well, guys. Again, the should have a negative charge, so we are gonna make I with 8 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, guys. So let me just make it more clear. Not like this. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, guys. So now let's see what do we have it over here. We have two more iodines. Okay, so we have two more iodines. So what do we see over here is gonna be, we have to make a bond. Okay, so we have iodine, and we have a negative charge. What do we see over here? We have a linear structure, guys. Come on, do we have a linear structure? Come on, give me a quick thumbs up. Yes or no? Come on, guys. Yes, that's good. So this is the reason we have what is gonna be your particularly linear structure, and then we go with your hybridization. We have two molecules and three lone pairs. We have two molecules and three lone pairs, right? One, two, and three. So this is what it is gonna be. It is gonna be sp3 and D. Yes, guys, come on. Are you with me? Are you getting it? What I have just taught you, what I have just told you? How to get the hybridization? Just calculate the number of atoms that are being attached, and to which the covalent bonding is happening, and count the number of lone pairs as well. Okay, yes, so that's good. That's good. So now let's move to the next question. Okay, so what we are talking about over here, sodium sulfate is soluble in water, guys. Sodium sulfate we are talking about, whereas barium sulfate is not, sparingly soluble. Okay, so what could be the correct answer? I'm going to give you 60 seconds. Do read all the statements and then click the right answer, guys. For those who are asking for kvpy, especially this is what I would like to tell you, that kvpy is a bit easier when it comes to JEE advanced. So I think if you have prepared really well for the kvpy, I'm sure you will be able to go to really great in that. Okay, but other than that, there is no trick or tips for kvpy. Okay, I'm sure you just go with a good confidence and just do it. Okay. Come on, guys. 3, 2, 1. All of you have done that. That's good. So Anirudh, Abhishek, Seema, Cyborg, Sakshi, Preksha, Ankush, Dia, Toman, and Amo. Okay. All five of you are correct. 43% of you are correct. Okay. So the correct answer to this question is actually B, both A and B. So what does it talks about is, when we're talking about Na2SO4. Okay, so when we're talking about sodium sulfate, we talk about that the hydration energy of the sodium sulfate is higher, okay, than its lattice energy. So as the lattice energy is lower than hydration energy, it won't be, it will prefer to get into get soluble or into get ionized, rather than being a solid structure. Okay, but when we talk about your barium sulfate, guys, BaSO4, so in this particular case, what do we see over here is the lattice energy of barium is higher. So therefore, it will stay in its lattice or solid state. Therefore, it is not that soluble in water. Okay, so this is the reason A and B is the correct role. When we're talking about the lattice energy has no role in solubility, it is not the correct. Okay, So D is the correct answer. Yes, are you all with me? Come on, guys. Yes, no. Okay, that's great. So now I would like to quickly tell you something that at Vedantu we have started a JEE crash course, and there are plenty of JEE crash courses that are running side by sides. So now the crash course has just started on 21st of October, and you haven't missed much of the classes. So we are going to give you 12 online classes per week. That is only per week, guys, where we are going to cover your chemistry, physics, and maths, all of it. I am also taking chemistry classes, guys. Unlimited doubt solving from the doubt solving app and me, and therefore you have unlimited on-demand concept videos. Full midterm syllabus will be covered. Complete revision of your complete course will be done over there. Okay, just before, so that you are more confident for giving up your JEE exam. So from Monday to Saturday the classes are going to be, and Sunday you're going to get off and tests. 7 to 8:30 is going to be your first class, then 9 to 10:30 is going to be your second class. Okay. So yes, theory is teach, but I would say theory is teach more in the practical manner, where we are going to give you a lot of questions. Yes, JEE questions and all the previous year and whatnot, JEE level questions and advanced questions, and then we are going to talk about what is going to be your particularly what the solution could be, right? So again, I would like to tell you something, that Love 18 is the coupon code. If you use this coupon code, what you are going to say is, what you're gonna get is that 50% of discount will be getting slashed away for you all. And do at least go to the link, because you can see all the other courses that are running as well beside that. So variant.in/12ac47 is your code. And over here, what do we see over here is that enroll now. Click on enroll now. I have the coupon code. Love18 is the coupon code. Yes. So Dishu, it's right now 18. Love18 LUV. You get a direct 50% discount. And probably I'll be seeing you in the enrolled classes as well, because you can also see me over there, right? So click to pay, guys, and I'll be watching you over there. But don't worry, guys. Right now we have I have to show you the leaderboard, and the class hasn't ended. Okay. Neat crash course are gonna start later, guys, so don't worry about that. Yes. So now but you can only apply one code. Yes, you can only apply one code, and this coupon code is only valid for 1 day only. After another day, you won't be able to apply that, right? The pair of compounds is a show similar color, guys, in aqueous solution. Here's a trick, guys. Always try to calculate the number of unpaired electrons. Okay, if the number of unpaired electrons are going to be same, the answer you will find it. Come on, guys. Yes, Ayush, the lattice energy depends on the size of the ion. Yes, as the barium's ion is really big, so yes, therefore the lattice energy is big. Okay. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes, so Abhishek is there, but he's wrong. Preksha and Dia are the correct ones. 22% of you got it right. So let's see how to get that one, guys. So guys, over in the B option, which is right, we are talking about vanadium over here. And if you would see that vanadium is attached to oxygen and two chlorine atoms. And if it is attached to one oxygen, one oxygen has a -2 charge, and one chlorine has -1 charge. So total charge on the negative side is -4. Yes. So in the positive side, we see a +4 charge on vanadium. Okay. So 4 plus charge on the vanadium. So over here, can we do how many valence electrons in the d orbital does vanadium has, guys? Come on, give it to me. So we are simply gonna see 3. Okay. So when we have vanadium, first of all, what do we see over here is gonna be, if this is the 3D, guys, I'm thinking 3D very vaguely, and we have 4s as well. Okay, so this is the 4s. So we have 1, 2, and 3. So this is 3D3, because the atomic number of this particular vanadium is 23, and we have your, yes, so we have 4s2. So what do we see over here is gonna be your, we have a +4 charge, and over here when we see over here is simply gonna be your +4 charge will give us these two electrons will be gone, and two electrons from the d orbital. How many unpaired electrons do we have, guys? So please repeat the sentence. So when we are talking about vanadium, and vanadium has an atomic number of 23. It has three unpaired electrons in the d orbital, and two paired electrons in the 4s. But when we're talking about vanadium 4 plus, so it is going to have only one unpaired electron, guys. UPE, that is unpaired electrons, is going to be 1 in the case of vanadium 4 plus. Okay, 1 4, yes. And when we are going to count for Cu2 plus, okay, why? Because we have two chlorines, so initially we have Cu2 plus. Okay, in the case of Cu2 plus as well, we have a configuration of 3d9. As we have a configuration of 3d9 in the case of Cu2 plus, we have one unpaired electron. So as they both have them has one unpaired electrons, this is the reason we are gonna simply have, we can expect that they're gonna have similar colors. Yes, come on guys, yes or no? Q&A not responding. D Anirudh, probably he might be answering few other students, so it sometimes takes time. Okay, it's okay, Preet, let him make some guesses. It's okay. In this particular free class, I always encourage students to make guesses. Okay? Yes, Preet, it is. Okay. Kuldeep, you can always watch the replay as well. But I right now I'm telling over here is vanadium 4 plus ion is having one unpaired electrons, and Cu2 plus ion is also having one unpaired electrons. So as both of them have same unpaired electrons, they are expected to show similar colors. Yes, in the aqueous medium. Don't worry, Seema. Let me just ask. Hi, Venkatesh sir. Are you there? Students are asking for you that probably they might be getting answers late. But guys, from his side, I would like to tell you that he's always there. The point is, as you are there in the or every student is asking the Q answers. So, so this is the reason he might be answering you late. Yes. So now we have another question that is for you. The brown ring complex compound is formulated as FeH2 5 and O plus, guys, SO4. The oxidation state of iron. You have to find the oxidation state of iron, guys. Your time starts now. 45 seconds. Yes. Sanchi is saying he is responding. Please wait. Yes, guys. Don't make anyone feel as a robot. He'll definitely answer you. Yes, Swope, but color depends on electrons. Yes, unpaired electrons, Swope. I would like to tell you it depends on unpaired electrons. Hi, Sahu. Video is lagging. Cyborg, please refresh. Bye, Tanu. Okay. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay. Time's up. Let's see how many of you are correct. Okay. So Preksha, Ehsan, Saptarsi, Sakshi, Ankush, and Saivor are correct in the top 10, and 42% of you are correct over there. So we have the answer, which is going to be 1. How 1? Let's go with it. So guys, as we see, SO4 has a -2 charge. Okay. So the +2 charge is going to be at this particular complex. Yes. So if we have Fe H2O5, guys, water is neutral. We all know, right? And we have NO that is having a positive charge on it. And if we have SO4 that is 2 minus, we are going to have positive 2 charge on this particular complex. Yes, I'll be showing you the leaderboard, guys. Don't wait for it. Okay, I'm going to keep it a suspense for you all. So as we have a total +2 charge, and we have 1 plus charge on NO, will the iron be having 1 plus charge over here? Come on, give me a yes or no. Guys, all of you, give me a quick thumbs up or thumbs down. Do you think that by this particular explanation, can you find that iron is going to have 1 plus charge? Yes? Yes or no? That's good. So this is the reason iron is gonna have 1 plus charge. So B is your correct answer, right? So this is what it is. Okay, please break the suspense of leaderboard. Okay, let me just give you one. Let me just please give me one more question, then I'll show you the leaderboard. Okay. Okay. So let's go with the next question. So the species present in solution when CO2 is dissolved in water is gonna be 45 seconds. Your time starts now. Sudhanva, please refresh. What are you asking about, Swau? Cole, sir? Come on, guys. 11 seconds left. I can see plenty of you doing it right. Yes. So 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And again, yes, I can see the leaderboard. Tomona is at the first right now. In Sakshi, Anirudh, Sumit, Seema. Okay, plenty of you got it right. And the correct answer to this question is A. How? Guys, we are going to see all the four options, which is CO2 unreacted, then your H2CO3, which is your carbonic acid. Then we have bicarbonate, and we have carbonate species. Yes, so all of these four are gonna be there when we are putting a CO2 in the water when it is in the dissolved phase. So again, guys, I would like to tell you that JEE crash course has been started for 21st of October, Monday to Saturday, 7 to 8:30 and 9 to 10:30 p.m. We are gonna have 12 online classes, chemistry, physics, maths. Where I am also taking a few classes of chemistry, and you're gonna have unlimited doubt solving, and your complete course will be done before your exam, much more before your exam. Okay, so do not forget to use the coupon code, which is going to be LUV18. Click on enroll now. I have the coupon code LUV18 is going to be a coupon code. Get a 50% discount and get enrolled, right? So again, guys, don't go anywhere. The leaderboard is here. So Pariksha is at the wow 480 score. That is a good score. Anything which is somewhere around 500, I consider as excellent. Dishu 380, Ehsan 360, Sakshi, Amo, Dwapan, Harshada, Game, Vivek, Divya, Vidansh, Sankapal, Hi Sankapal, Simran, Prajal, and Vaishnavi. Yes, so guys, how was it? How was the class? Come on, give me at least a yes or no. Yes, come on, give me yes or no. It's on the screen. Yes or no? How was it? How was the class? Yes. So this is guys. This class was more of a question and answers, but plenty of our other classes also have a lot of theory and good knowledge. Yes. So as there was a less time, we always try to keep the questions and keeping you entertaining as well, right? So again, guys, thank you so much. I can see 91% of you like this particular class, guys. I am going to see you. I hope I'm going to see you in the next enrolled classes as well. But for till next time, stay tuned and have a good night, have a good dinner. This is my time. Mild means not strong. Okay, yes guys, this is my time. Bye bye, good night.